I wanted to know your guys' opinion on what you want me to do post-grad. So I had two ideas. Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Fun fact, I accidentally deleted the intro clip to this video, but that was the only clip I deleted, so all good. We are starting this vlog off on Monday, and fun fact, I keep saying fun fact. I feel like since the new year, I kind of felt like I was in a little bit of a rut, and so on Saturday night, I was here and I was bored in my room, and I decided to rearrange some of my furniture, so I thought I'd show you guys how I rearranged it. It doesn't make the most sense, but I will be honest, I love it. Sorry I deleted the first clip, but let's go to Monday and showing you how I rearranged my room. My bed is the exact same. I didn't move any of this stuff. The stuff that I moved was my desk area, as you can see here. This is now what it looks like. I don't know. This is a little messy, but like I was using this. Just pretend like that's clean. But basically, if you guys remember, I had my desk right here, and then this drawer right there was right here in that corner. This mirror was right here on this wall, and then the lamp was actually sitting on top of this. Like it was literally on top of it. I don't know if this makes the most sense, I'm not gonna lie. I was getting ready to hang out with some friends when I was doing my makeup, and this is very backlit, like the window is behind me, and if I'm doing my makeup like this, I literally cannot see what I'm doing. So I wanted to move it around. I don't think this is the most practical because I have to have my drawers over here. I used to have like a little pink ottoman right here that I had my fan on, and I just put it under my bed, but this can't be by my desk because there's not enough room. I also don't think that it makes my room look any bigger, like I was kind of hoping for it to. I don't think that it makes the most sense. I'm not gonna lie. Like I don't think that this is the way the room should be set up. I'm going to keep it like this for a while. Not like too long, but just until I get bored and until I'm like, okay, this is not practical. But I just feel like I needed some change. So I changed it up even though it doesn't look the best. I also had some pictures right here that I just took down. It would have looked weird with this, but I'm actually fine with taking them down because my friend got me a picture that I wanted to replace those pictures with for Christmas. And so I think that I'm just gonna hang that picture back up when I eventually move this back because I know it will be soon. I just don't know when. So I'm gonna replace the picture that was here with a new one, and so you guys will see that whenever I do it. That is how I rearranged my bedroom. I don't know if you guys did this all the time as a kid. I asked you guys on Instagram, and I feel like so many of us like lived the same childhood where we would like randomly rearrange our bedroom furniture at like the middle of the night, and then we'd be so young and like not strong enough that our parents would have to come help us, and it'd be like 10-11 p.m. at night, and our parents would be like super mad at us because they're like, I want to sleep, but here I am moving all this furniture. I don't know if you guys ever did that, but yes, please let me know if you guys ever rearranged your bedroom furniture as a kid, because I'm not kidding, like it just gave me so much nostalgia, like waking up in the morning and like kind of feeling like everything was different. Right now I have to edit a thumbnail and upload, do all that stuff for my video that's going live tomorrow, so I have to do that, so let's do it. Just finished making the thumbnail, doing all the upload stuff. I made, I think, like 5 different thumbnails for it, and I honestly didn't like any of the thumbnails that I made for this video. I don't know why. I just didn't. But I have a couple of other things that where's my to-do list? I'm like, me being lost without my to-do list. We're gonna start checking things off. Okay, did that, did that, did not, did that. Okay, I wanted to talk to you guys about something. You're not in trouble. Whenever someone's like, we need to talk, I'm like, what did I do wrong? No one's in trouble. Basically, I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about my post-grad life. Ugh, that is disgusting to say that out loud. Anyways, a lot of you guys have been asking me what my plan is post-grad, and I will say this. I will tell you guys my plan when I have it more figured out. I had a plan, and literally 2 days ago, the plan went just gotta switched it up. So I honestly don't know what my plan is post-grad. Like I have an idea, but things keep changing. So when I have it figured out, finalized, I will tell you, and it will probably be closer to when I graduate. However, I did want to let you guys know what I'm planning to do video content post-grad, so you guys know, and I can ask your guys' opinion, and I don't like do things and you're like, no, I hate this, stop this. Post-grad. How many times can I say that? Post-grad. I'm gonna be a college graduate. Right now, I upload twice a week. I do Monday and Fridays, and typically Typically, one of the videos throughout the week is a weekly vlog, and then the other one is like some other type of video. And I always wonder, I'm like, what do I do for that other type of video? Like, I've been doing this schedule for like a couple years now, and I'm like, what do I make my second video a week on? Like, I never know. But I wanted to know your guys' opinion on what you want me to do post-grad. So I had two ideas, and let me know what you guys think. The first idea is to do the exact same thing that I'm doing now, where I do a weekly vlog of my life post-grad, and then I do a second video throughout the week. I don't know what it's gonna be on, but it's always about something. I don't know, like, I always somehow manage it. Or I can upload 3 days a week, and instead of doing weekly vlogs, do more daily style vlogs. And when I say daily style, I do not mean I'm daily vlogging. I just mean that my vlogs will be, instead of a week in one vlog, it will be like 1, maybe 2 days in one vlog. Does that make sense? Are we following? Honestly, like, I feel like most of my videos will be like vlog style videos, just because that is what I enjoy making the most, that is what you guys enjoy seeing the most. But there will always be videos that are like a little bit dedicated to something, like if I'm redecorating something, or if there's, I don't know, like there's always some videos that I make that are like more dedicated towards a certain topic. So no matter what, it will be a mix of vlogs and that, but mostly vlogs. Let me know what you guys want, because I'm always open to suggestions, to your opinion. If you guys have an idea that's even better than the two ideas that I came up with, let me know. But I would love to hear your guys' opinions on what you want me to do post-grad. I also want to keep you guys in the loop, so I'm not like springing this on you and you're like, I don't like this style of video, what is going on? But that's kind of where my head is at in terms of the types of videos that I'll be making come May when I graduate. And that is that. So let's see what else I have to do for the day. Also, I think that I should have washed my hair today, but I did not, and now I feel like it's, you know when it's like it's too late to shower but your hair does not look good? That's how I'm feeling now. I need to do my Amazon returns. I need to go to 2 grocery stores and go grocery shopping. I need to take my trash out. Oh, I did this. Great. I am on a roll. I'm probably just gonna force myself to run the errands, so time lapse. Just got home from grocery shopping. I was gonna do a grocery haul, but I honestly didn't get enough stuff to make it interesting. I think I got like 5 items total, because I had a lot of stuff left over from last week that I didn't eat, so I mainly just bought stuff to supplement those ingredients to make recipes, so I wouldn't be putting any of that food to waste. So that is what I got. So it was like not an interesting grocery haul. Like, I think I was in Trader Joe's for less than 5 minutes. Like, it took me longer to drive to Trader Joe's than me being in there. But I wanted to return all my Amazon stuff, and I was able to return everything except for one thing. I'll show you guys what I wasn't able to return, and I'm really upset that it didn't work out, because it was gonna be so cool if it worked out. I got these mesh pants, and I know you're probably like, but they're from Amazon, obviously. I saw this TikTok that this girl was wearing these like over jeans, over leather pants, like it just added like a cool little like to the outfit, but they're so short on me. Like, they literally go to the bottom of my calf, and they do not go to my ankle like they're supposed to. So I wanted to return them, but as it turns out, you cannot return them in Whole Foods stores, so you need to like mail them. I don't want to do that, but I will. I will say, the one thing about me is I do order a lot on Amazon, but if I don't like something, I will return it. Like, I will not keep something that I don't like, because I don't want to waste the money, and I don't want to just like have clutter and just stuff sitting here, so I will take care of that, just not today. Okay, so I pretty much did everything. All I really need to do is take out the trash in my room and package up some Poshmark orders that I just honestly do not want to do right now. And I've been pretty go since the second I woke up, and it's 3 o'clock right now, so I think that I'm just going to like sit on my bed and watch TikTok for a while. Oh no, you know exactly what I want to do? I bought this book. I asked you guys on Instagram what your guys' favorite books are, like books that like changed your life, because I like reading things that like will help me. If you guys want to know my favorite book of all time, it's called Defining Decade. If you're in your early 20s, you need to read it. But I got this book. It is called Burnout, The Secret to Unlocking the Stress Cycle, and so it just looks really good. I read the reviews, so I'm going to start reading it. I'm actually gonna do the thing. I'm gonna read a book on a Sunday. How adult is that? Like, right?